So guys, usually the longest step for people is step 2, which is getting rid of all your debt. I just wanted to give a few tips and tricks for what's going to assist you on becoming debt free the quickest. First, it's get on a budget, a written budget of all of your money for the month, where it is going and what it is being used for. I never realized how much money I was wasting on restaurants and coffee and just dumb purchases that I could have been using to get out of debt and just compounding and making my debt-free journey faster. Dave Ramsey has an app called Every Dollar. It's free. It really opens your eyes to how much money that you're wasting in sectors of your life that really don't matter. Another way that you can realize how much money you're spending on restaurants and dumb stuff is look at your debit card statement and then just add up for the month how much money you spent out at the bars and at restaurants, or buying that next iPhone you wanted. It all adds up. Have a great day.